I got some surprising news. It does work. It does work. I've never seen this one. If I have seen a fan just like that at the taqueria that sometimes runs. Y'all remember the Day of the Dead special. I'm surprised it works. Someone must have found the remote since last time. I'm surprised. I'm guessing this speed is medium or high. Does wobble a bit. I'm surprised it works. I'm surprised it works. I thought it was broken, but it works. I'm surprised it works. It wobbles a bit. It wobbles a bit, but works. I should put an Edison bulb instead of that compact fluorescent bulb. A bulb with a compact fluorescent inside. Yeah, but it works.